continuing the types of vector. So starting with the sixth type, that is position vector. Position vector is basically the vector that tells the position of the body with respect to its origin. And it basically tells the direction, but it tells the direction from origin. Means a position vector is basically a vector that tells the position of the body with respect to its origin. For example, if we are having a vector that is in east direction and second vector that is in the north direction. Now there is a point that is its position is here. So now basically position vector tells the direction of that body, that is a body that tells it will tell the direction, but from the origin means it will tell its direction from the origin. So that is basically called the position vector. Means it will tell the position of the body, means where it is. It will tell the direction of that body but from the origin. Second, we are having the seventh type, that is a unit vector. What is unit vector? That tells the direction having a magnitude 1, that is it tells the direction and it is having a magnitude equal to 1. If we talk about the vector, what is vector? It is consist of two things, magnitude and direction. So for example, if we take a vector that is vector A, it is having the magnitude A that we show as a mod, and it is having a direction that we show as cap on it. So a vector having a magnitude and direction, it is a vector A that is having a magnitude and direction. So basically the unit vector that tells the direction. So that is, if you want to make a formula of unit vector, so that is the direction, telling the direction, so it will be a unit vector. And if it is the magnitude is multiplying with direction, so here if you want to make formula, it will move there, so it will divide and the vector divided by the magnitude of vector. So that will be a formula for the unit vector. Like if we are having a coordinate system that is x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. X-axis is denoted by I, z-axis is denoted by k, y-axis is denoted by j. So basically that I, j and k, they are the unit vector. They are unit vector. How unit vector? Because the unit vector basically tells the direction. So I is telling the direction of x, j is telling the direction of y, and z is telling the direction of z, k is telling the direction of z. So what does it mean? That these are the unit vector that tells the direction of these axes. So these are actually the unit vectors.